Hello, yes, this is Saranya. I have teaching experience in programming languages to various computer science engineering students, and I have experience in teaching kids too. Okay, so during my artificial intelligence courses, I will teach you how to create a project, how to link a project with Scratch programming, and I will teach you the basics about Scratch programming, and I will teach you how to create the projects in Scratch programming also. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? Yes, we're going to create or we're going to embed some intelligence into that machine that is called artificial intelligent machines. Mm, uh, the the best example for artificial intelligence is robotics nowadays. Nowadays, we are using robotics in all various fields, right? Okay, so next, the study of artificial intelligence is one is supervised learning, another one is unsupervised learning. Okay, so in supervised learning we have to give lots and lots of trained data to train our artificial intelligent machines. So based on our examples only, the artificial intelligent machines will able to uh, learn our query and it will give us the exact result to us. Okay, so in unsupervised learning, it will have the ability to give us the exact result by his own experience or past mistakes. Okay, so in study of AI, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So during my artificial intelligence courses, I'm going to teach you how to create the machine learning project under supervised learning. Okay, so and during my courses, I will teach you how to create the API key in IBM Watson server. Okay, so by using IBM Watson service only, we will able to create the machine learning model in Machine Learning for Kids platform. Okay, so shall we move into the project? Okay, so I'm going to add a new project. The project name make puppy happy. Okay, so here what we're going to do now here is, so the puppy hears the good things about him means it will show us the good emotions for us. Okay, suppose the puppy hears the sad thing about him means it will show us the sad emotions to us. Okay, so it is recognizing a test. So here there are various number of recognizing options. Okay, so during my artificial intelligence courses, I will teach you how to create the project using recognizing images, using numbers, or using sounds. Okay, so this is comes under text. So here, just click on it, create. So after creating this Make Puppy Happy project, just click over here and click the project try. So okay, so here we're going to add the two emotions. One is happy, another one is sad. Okay. So whenever the puppy hears the happy adjectives means it will show us the happy emotions to us. Okay, whenever he puppy hears the sad thing means it will show us the sad emotion. So here I'm going to add the example for happy adjectives. Super, awesome, good dog, happy, excellent. Okay. So next, sad thing. Um, Naughty, misbehaving, sad, bad dog, funny. Okay. So after adding the examples to these two labels, happy and sad, just click back to project and learn and test. Okay. So in learn and test, we have to wait for 2 more minutes. Just click over here, try new machine learning model. After clicking this, we have to wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. So in this process, we are actually before creating the project in machine learning for kids, we have to add the API key in IBM Watson server. Okay, so here based on our examples, here the IBM Watson server I'm going to make a machine learning model. So by using that machine learning model only, we can able to create our own algorithms, or we can able to create our own games in Scratch programming. Okay, so we have to wait 2-4 minutes for this step. Okay, so okay, it's been training since Friday. Yeah, it's showing us the date. Okay, it's been trained. We have to wait for 2 more minutes. Then only it will show us. Here there is an option quiz fan. We can use it here. Which of these not a good use of machine learning? Translating text from one language, self-train. Yeah, it shows. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to check here whether it is working or not. Okay, super. Yes, recognizing as happy. Okay, here it was working perfectly. Then this is the last step, make. Okay, so during our step, we're going to make a project in Scratch 3. Okay, so during our artificial intelligence course, I will teach you how to create the project in Python also. Okay, so this is the first class, right? So I'm going to teach you how to create the project, how to link the project with Scratch. This is Scratch 3.0 graphical user interface, that is called GUI. So it was loading. So back to project here, we can make, okay, train here. That's not a problem. Creating a project, loading sounds. Okay, here, yeah. So what is our project title? Make puppy happy, right? So here I'm just going to delete this cat sprite. I'm going to add this dog sprite. Oh, that means puppy sprite. Okay, puppy. Yeah, here the puppy sprite. Okay, if you want to add some other sprite means you can add. Okay, that's our excellent, our intelligence to make a excellent project. Okay, so this is the puppy. Okay, here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just click when green flag. Click before that I want to check the costume for this puppy. Okay, this is puppy right, puppy sit, puppy side, and puppy back. Okay, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 puppy happy, puppy 4 for sad thing. Okay, so whenever the green flag click, what is the first? Go to looks, switch costume to puppy right. Okay, then I'm going to choose the if condition. If our answer satisfy the our label, happy label means it will show us the happy reactions. Otherwise, it will show us the we can use if else also. Better I will use if condition. Okay. So before that, control forever, forever it will show us, right? So forever. Then I'm going to add the equal to operator. So here in equal to operator, we want to post it, right? So yeah, recognizing text, label, happy label. Then go to looks, switch costume here, puppy sit, then control, wait 1 second, then duplicate it. We have the option to take duplicate. Don't worry, here I'm doing very fastly. During my courses, it's like a hands-on training. Okay, so I will teach you step by step very slowly. Okay, if you have any doubts during my courses means I will teach you. Okay, no problem in that. So puppy right, puppy sit, puppy. Okay, so I'm going to add another if condition here. Then equal to operator, then recognizing text, then set. So in test label here, puppy sit. Okay, so in test table, I'm going to set answer block here. Okay, so it's going to check us our answer. So if our answer is happy, it comes under happy label, means it will show us these three costumes. If our answer is comes under sad label, means it will show us the puppy sit costume. Okay, so before that, we will add some masala to the coding. Yeah, say something to puppy like this. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, we can add the repeat block here also. Okay, so go to control. Yeah, repeat for, yeah, repeat control, repeat for 10 minutes, then control. We can easily add it over here. Okay, okay, shall we check the program here? Yes, just click the green flag. Yeah, it says something to puppy. You want good dog. Okay, then yeah, it's showing. Okay, it will show us the three emotions. Yeah, we have give it as 10 times as repeat. Okay, so it will show us 10 times these emotions. Okay, I'm going to stop and I'm going to show bad. Okay, bad emotions. Then it will show us the bad, bad thing. Okay, sorry. Here, puppy back. Okay, then back, bad. Yeah, it's showing us the back. Okay. Yeah, this is very simple project. During my courses, I will teach you the real-time applications also. Okay, how to create the project in our using a real-time applications also. Okay, thank you. If you are interested to join my courses, means you can join at any time and anywhere. Thank you. Bye.